Hello guys, we are Team Kryptonites. It includes me, Prasang Maheshwari, and my fellow mates, Richard Turkey and Astik Mehta. As a submission to AMOC, we have created an animal health website named as Project Sahyog. So let's have a brief on our idea under Project Sahyog.
Did you know 80% of 600 million dogs in the world are strays? According to a 2012 census, there are about 17.13 million stray dogs and 5.28 million cattle in India. Another one from 2018 mentions that this number reaches about 30 to 35 million. Stray dogs can cause many problems like spread of diseases, road accidents, spread of fear among the masses, etc. Sadly, in most of the developing countries like India, stray dogs are captured and killed in inhumane methods. There are various cases of acts of cruelty against stray animals that are reported on a daily basis nowadays. India slaughters about 1.6 land-based animals per person per year, according to a report. To find a way through this issue, we at Team Kryptonites have created a web application named Sahyog.
I'm going to give you the demonstration and overview of this website called Sahyog. So let's just dive into it. So this is the front page of our website, and to the top left you can see the logo of our website. To the top right you can see the 5 clickable options. First is home, then about, then adopt, report, and fifth is the contact. So let's just go into the third option, that is the adopt option. So I'll click over here. You can see the list of animals for which you can see the names over here. These names are who have reported these stray animals over here, and there are further informations as well if you want to know about the reporter. So now like if you want to adopt that particular animal, what you will do is you will click on the adopt option, and then you will be directed to one of the form where you have to fill up the form to adopt that particular stray animal. So let's just go into the report section. Let's suppose you are just walking into your locality and you found any stray animal. So what and if you want to help him, so what you can do is you can like fill up this form and select the 3 images of it, and you guys can mention the type of animal and what breed of he or she is about, and you can let us know, and we can help him to reach his original owner, or we can contact any other NGO for further adoptions. So let's just go into the contact section. If you want to give any feedback to us, you can fill up this things, and you can send us through these 3 platforms. So now let's just go into the home section, and I'll just scroll down a little bit. Here you can see the title, our sectors. Here we provide 4 facilities over here. First is the animal reviews. I'm going to click on that, and here let's suppose if you see any person who is doing cruelty towards animal, what you can see over what you can do over here is that you can enter your name, phone number, WhatsApp number, your email address, your location, and the 3 images and the features of animals. And after getting all the information, what we will do is that we will try to contact the concerned NGO, and we'll try to sort this matter out. And let's just go back, and you can see there is another option, that is animal injury. In this section, what we will do is that same process. We'll give the information over here, and we will work with the concerned NGO who are concerned to give the first aid or the the medical facilities to help the animal out. So now let's just go back, and the third option is same, just like we have seen above, animal adoption. Let's again, then also we will see it. So yes, the same thing that we saw by just clicking on this adopt option. So now the last option over here is the animal NGO. Here we have mentioned the list of the NGOs who work for the welfare of this animal of the animals. So here they are, and we have briefly mentioned how they work and what they do, what they provide. So now let's just again go to the home option, and last but not the least, our motive. Though we have already mentioned our motive in the introduction part, but these are my words that I want to see, that we humans, we enjoy human rights, just like we have a right to live, we have the right to go anywhere we are. Just so to this unspeakable animals, they also have the rights to live, they also have the right to roam around anyone, so they are not made for the brutality and all that thing. So my message is save animals.
It is well supported on the both platforms such as Android and iOS. So here we go. We can see that everything in our website is coming in a vertical order, like our sectors, then this options, our motive, and everything is coming in a vertical order. And we can clearly see that it looks different on laptop and PC screen and mobile screen. And from top right corner will the three navigation bar. From here you can go anywhere in our website where you want to go in any page. So hope you like it.
So you saw our website that is working well on computer as well as mobile phone. Now I would like to mention the technologies that we have used to build this web app. For the front end, we have used HTML, CSS and JavaScript to design the website, and it uses Node.js and Express for server-side operations, and it also uses MongoDB Atlas database on the backend for storing all the information entered by the user. Its code is available on the GitHub repository we have attached, and website is hosted on Heroku.